At Edgeway Innovations, we have been focused on innovation over the last decade to bring highly visual solutions to the warehouse floor. WarehouseOS was the beginning of that frontier with the iPad picking system. We're excited about augmented reality for the visual benefits to the warehouse worker. The fact that we can provide HoloLens imagery over pick locations, sort walls. We're going to break the barriers of traditional technology and deploy a much better experience in the future with the HoloLens technology for the warehouse worker.
Augmented reality is one of our new technologies revolutionizing the warehouse industry. Two companies, WarehouseOS and Instalink, are working hard with clients to bring this new technology to their operations.
What we're trying to do is to take the existing people that are in the warehouse and make them much more efficient instead of replacing them with automation tools or machinery, basically. And so with the InstaPick software, our whole purpose is to get new people up and running and get the employees functional really quickly, and they're much more efficient.
More empowering for the warehouse worker and give you a lot more flexibility on the warehouse floor.